Hey everyone, welcome back to my video. I hope you are doing very well. So in this video, we are going to see about the numbers and Boolean data type in Python programming language. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so let's say if we want to know about the data type of a number, we can just use the type method. All right. For example, if we want to know about the data type, the numbers 15. So what is data type? We can just use the type of 15 and run it. So that brings us the int. Int means integers, not the float, not the decimal numbers, but the complete number, all right? They're just integers number. And one more thing to know is that the integer also support mathematical operation like this one. For example, 14 divided by 2, which will give us that 0.0, which is the float. All right. Okay. But be careful. We also need to watch out for embedded mathematical operation. For example, like this one, 7/0. This will give us an error, which means division by 0, 0 division error, because we are divided by 0. All right. And another thing is to be aware is that we need to watch out what missing and support that data types. For example, like this one, 7 plus 14. This will also not work because 7 is an integer. 14 is just string. So how can we tell that 14 is just a string? By looking at the double quote. Yes. So 7 is integer number, 14 is data type string, so it doesn't accept to be combined, to be plus operation for both of these data type. The data types can also be depending on operation. For example, result equal to 3/2. 3 and 2 is just an integer number. So when we print it out, we will have 1.5. 1.5, what's the type of it? It's just a float, right? Because there's a decimal point in the answer. Okay. There's another data type called Boolean, which means true and false. There's only true and false in the Boolean data type. So what will we have? If we type of true, it will bring us the BO or a bool, which means it is a Boolean data type. All right. And the true and false also represent the 1 and 0. We should also memorize that. It's very simple, right? True means 1, false means 0. So bool of 1 is true. Bool of 0 is false. All right? And there's also none type, which means there's nothing right there. So how can we know about it? Is in Python, they call it just none. None is just none type. It's very important to note it down. All right? Okay. That's it for today. And I hope you enjoyed this video also. So I would like to see you again in the next video. And thank you for your time. So bye-bye. Thank you.